All right, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. Okay. All right. Ttoo. Ttoo Biosystems. What is happening? It is doing very good. It is doing very good. Yesterday we did hit that, I think we did hit that 40 mark at one point. Was it yesterday or was it David? Well, I can't see it. But I think we got real close to 40. I think we did hit 40, 40 cent, and then it came back down just a little bit. So right now it's barcoding sideways. Hopefully let's look at the Qs real quick because the Qs tells a lot. The SPY and the Q. So the SPY, they look like they're trying to push up. So the SPY is higher than what it was yesterday. Let me get a little closer. So the SPY is higher than what it was yesterday. It's up quite a bit. So let's look at the Qs. The Qs is up. Why does it say? Okay, 61%. Just a few minutes ago, it looked like it said 0. But anyway, the SPY is up 0.62% and pushing. Q is up 0.80% and pushing. The TQ is up 2.24% and pushing. Okay, so it looks like things is going to run today, right? Things look like it's going to run today. So TTOO, hopefully, I'm going to drink coffee. I do got my coffee. So hopefully TOO pretty much follows the Qs and the SPYs today. Hopefully it just start taking off. But it's looking good. It's above the closing price from yesterday. There may be some selling off because some people usually wait until the morning. They see what the price is at closing or in the after hours, and then if they're up in the red, I mean not the red, in the green, then some people will sell pre-market or before the market open or right after. But anyway, for me, it's looking good. I think we're gonna go up and push that 40 mark and test it again, and hopefully we can get above the 40 and stay above there. Okay, these are my thoughts, and I do want to say, this is one thing I like about, I have a small community, but this is one thing I like about you guys, because if I say something that's wrong or incorrect, then some people correct me. If I don't have the information, because I can't sit around and just watch everything all the time, watch the news, and I might not know why something is going the way it's going. So some of you guys will do the research and then you let me know. And I do want to say thanks to, let's go over here and look. Right here, Clifford Morrison. I think that's what it says. My eyes are not in great shape, but 251. Okay, so thanks, Clifford, for bringing this to my attention. It says, I have read this morning that TTOO have gained compliance with NASDAQ. So, of course, I had to do some research, right? And it's always good to double check and see if you can find more information and see if it's consistent, right? And when you do that, it's not saying that someone's wrong, but you have to check because you don't know where the information came from and if the sources are really legit. So, but it sounded pretty much legit because when he said it, I was thinking, well, this kind of makes some sense because things started running. So I went on and I did some research here. So this is where I get my information a lot of times. Sometimes I don't go to Google because Google, I don't go to the normal Google search engine because it pulls up all kind of stuff and I just want a simple answer. So Google has a AI learning search engine, right? You just put anything you want to know. You're gonna ask questions and it's gonna pull it up. I think it's called Bart. I think it's called Bart. So look that up, try that, guys. It's like an AI search engine and it gives you answers like this. So I put the question in there and then it says, yes, TTOO stock regained compliance with NASDAQ on August 8th. The company received a written notice from NASDAQ and had regained compliance with the market value of listed securities requirement. TTOO market capitalization has been above 35 million for 10 consecutive business days. The company has previously received an extension from the NASDAQ to regain compliance with the minimal bid price requirement, which did also Also did on August 8th. TTOO stock closed at $1 or more for 10 consecutive business days. So this is good, right? This is good. So maybe that's why things are turning around, things are going. But the good thing is, keep my fingers crossed. TTOO, Ttoo, they look like they're really trying to work on things, trying to get things together. Okay, they're not giving out, as far as I know, they're not giving false hopes. They're really working on stuff, and that's why I put more money into this stock. I'm not saying that you should do that. Okay, it's not financial advice, but I feel more attractive to this stock, even though I know they could possibly gotten delisted. And I made my decision to put more in the stock even when I knew they were going to get delisted, and it was a possibility. I still put money into it because I felt like they were really doing things compared to like Mullen. I still had high hopes. I still have hopes for them, maybe later on down the line. But we kept getting news that they never come through with. They produced a nice car, but they never manufactured a car. Like, they never made it for everybody, but it was really nice. So that kind of, after getting all the false promises or broken promises from Mullen, I had to back off for a moment and just wait. Okay, it did go to 10. I predicted that Mullen was going to go to 10, and it did. Let's go back over to the chart. Okay, turn this back on. And Mullen did go to 10. Let's see what's Mullen price. So Mullen's trying to push back up again above the 11. It's almost at 12. They're running for whatever reason. The market's not open yet. So they may do one of them numbers where they're going to pull back, okay? So keep that in mind. It's not financial advice. But unless some news came out, that's probably why they're running, if there's some news, okay? Hopefully it's good news if it came out. But I don't know why they're running. It could be one of them tactics again that I showed you guys, that they're running in the morning. People are going to buy in as soon as the market opens because they don't know, and then it's going to pull back. They're going to take all these gains more than what it did pre-market. Okay, but TTOO is doing good. Hopefully they can continue this, and it shoots. Hopefully they can just get to that $1. Okay, that's what I'm hoping for. Me personally, I don't know. If it gets to $1, I may stick around. I don't know yet. I just need to see how things go. But it's going good. And that's about it. I need to finish my coffee. I'm like halfway through this because I drank a lot of them before I came out the door. But yeah. So that's it, guys. I think sometime today I may do a live. I don't know. It depends. It's been raining, so I usually like to sit outside and do a live. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys for continuing to watch me, even though I'm not like a professional. But I know one thing, I am learning a lot, okay? I am learning a lot, and that's what we're here for. So if you have any information about any stocks that I'm talking about or anything, just leave it in the comment section, and you guys can comment to each other, and y'all talk about things. And that way I can come back and I can read them, okay? I can read them. We're all here to learn together. We're all here to make money. And the most important thing, do not let anyone tell you how to buy, sell, or hold, or when to sell your stocks, okay? You are your own boss. You're a grown adult. You make your own decisions. Don't let no one make decisions for you in the stock market, okay? Do what you feel. Once you feel it, then you know it's right, okay? All right, guys. Take care, and thank you again for continuing to watch me. All right. Take care. Peace.